Hi everybody. Alright, since I gilded that little trinket box, I decided to order some aging stuff and I'm waiting for it to come. That's why I haven't uploaded a new video. Meanwhile, I got super lucky with a few purchases, and this is one of 2 or 3 different unboxing videos I'm going to be doing while I wait for my next bunch of supplies for gilding come to my house. Alright, so this, part of this isn't very exciting, but there's one piece in here that I've been trying to get my hands on now for a while. And now I recently joined Whatnot, which is a tiny little place where people can do these little auction sales with video. And I found a seller, who I'm going to absolutely recommend in the video, in the description, who sells ephemera from, well, technically, I'd like to say maybe the 1940s and older. And she does have a lot of super old stuff, and she's fantastic. So, this is a box from her, and you can see it's kind of a big box. It's not very tall, but it's spread out. I think that's because one of the things in here is quite large, but that's not the most important piece. So let's get going. This is all photographs, including something really amazing, which I've never actually seen before with my own eyes, so that's why I'm so excited. And here we go. Okay, so, oh, all right. Okay, this is her card, and look at this. It is so amazing. She always includes one of these in her shipments, and it's an amazing card. That's her name, Requiem Salvage. And oh, there's something in here besides her card. I don't remember getting this, but how cute! And it's gilded around the edge. She knows I like gilded stuff because that's my username, same as YouTube. Gilded Treasures of Yesteryear. So I don't know what this is. I mean, I think that's a hummingbird. I'm so sorry about the glare. Color is very good. This is old. Very old. Okay, and I'm also waiting for bulbs to come, and right now I'm forced to be using this really crappy ring light. Anyways, oh, it's embossed. It's also embossed. If you can see this on the back. Okay, all right. I don't remember bidding on this. She might have just thrown it in, but that's very cool. All right, I'm gonna move that stuff out of the way. And it looks like we have a box in a box, or no, just a box for protection. Okay, so I'm gonna. This box is so big, I'm limited in how I can unpack this. And looks like I'm going to have to dig around for all the pieces. Alright. So, one thing of paper, two, oh look at this, more under here. Oh my goodness. Wow, I don't remember. So this was a night where we were all supposed to be drinking. And I have to admit, I got a little sauced. Oh, that's right. Oh, okay. Yeah, I remember now. Alright. Yeah, I did a couple of impulse buys. Okay, so a lot of stuff to look at here. And I'm not going to really go over a whole lot of it, but there's a couple pieces in particular, as soon as I can find them, that I want to show. Oh, yes. Okay. So, these are postcards of famous places in the UK from the 1950s-ish. So I've got photos of parts of the castle. I'm going to guess that's Queen Elizabeth, but I'm not sure. And just all kinds of fun stuff like that. So that's that. What do we have here? So I don't know what this is, but it's very old, and I'm going to guess from the 1900s. Let's see. It appears to be an advertisement. The color is amazing. It's a super deep red. Okay. Yes, I remember these. So these are cabinet cards. They have writing on the bottom often. And of course, I'm going to have a lot of trouble. But there you go. All right. And some of these also have amazing things on the back, like that. Just amazing. Look at the detail. Really cool. All right, so that's one. Here's another one. A very small baby with also a really excellent back. And supposedly these that have the image of cherubs and a camera are super valuable. I haven't done any research on that yet. I got these 4 cards though for like $15. Okay. A little boy dressed in what looks like maybe semi-military-ish. Nothing interesting on the back. A young lady, whoops, sorry, wearing a very cute dress. Nothing on the back except a name which I cannot read. And another young lady. No back. All right, and these are supposed to be, they're called cabinet cards because they're supposed to be displayed in cases, which these have come out of, in cabinets, and that's why they're called cabinet cards. All right, next up, I don't know what envelope to open next. Oh yes, okay. So these are larger photos, which could be considered cabinet cards, but some are too large. And I got these. I picked these out of a choice auction because of the gilding and stuff. And that's just a pretty good-looking young man. And these are from the 1830s. This one has a really amazing back. All right. Another one with no back, but a very clear picture. All right. And then we've got this one. This fella is very dapper. And he has a kerchief in his pocket and what looks to be a pocket watch. And the back of this card is gilded heavily all over. It's amazing. That's why I got that one. All right. And then we have this one, which isn't all that interesting on the front. I'm not even sure why I got this one, actually. I don't remember. Okay, so this one. This was special because it's a smaller picture. It appears to be kind of matted, and the card around it is heavily embossed, which is rather unusual, apparently. And so that's why I got that one. This one is unusual because it has the scalloped edges, and this is maybe... it's around the same age, late 1800s, early 1900s. Nothing on the back. Here's another well-dressed guy, and nothing on the back. Now this one, this is old, and it does have damage, but it's also rare because instead of sitting, he's standing, and you can see more of his environment. Apparently back in the old days, people were more going to get, they more had these kind of photos, and that's why this one is a bit unusual. It also has a very interesting back. And here we've got another interesting one where the guy is also standing up. He's leaning on something. And he's got a lot of jewelry. He's got rings on, some kind of little lapel thing, something else right here, and a pocket watch. And apparently a fairly wealthy fella. No back. All right, and then this one. This is unusual in several different ways. One, it has been matted. The card is very, the frame around is very unusual. It's embossed, and it's 2 different colors. And the back does have what appears to be a stamp, like a big stamp that somebody went on top of the card. So, anyways, I got these larger pictures for like $20. And I I'm going to be doing something with these. These are just not for me to collect. I do have plans for this stuff. All right, this though, this is the piece that I'm so excited about. And she really wrapped it right, and as you can see, it's quite small. Because big versions of stuff like this, hundreds and hundreds of dollars if they're in pristine condition. I paid this lady almost $70 for this tiny little thing. Cute. Okay. All right. Wow, she really wrapped it well. Oh my goodness. I don't even know where to start. Oh, here we go. Here we go. All right. Okay. All right. We're getting there. We're getting there. All right. So, as you can see, it's a photograph. This is the date on this beautiful item. Okay, and I know you can't really see the photo yet. That's all right. I'm just going to talk about this for a second. I don't even know how to say this. I'm going to try. Daguerreotype. I'm sure I'm butchering it. They made photos. This was one of the very first photographic processes, if not the first, that was commercially available and not just doing, hobby. It wasn't just some chemical hobbyist. Okay. And these only lasted about 20 years because advances were being made in the field of photography very quickly. And the problem with this was the subject had to sit for quite a long time. It was fairly uncomfortable. It wasn't instantaneous, that's for darn sure. And the process was messy, to say the least. And mercury was involved. Mercury is toxic to people. And I'm not saying they had to use a lot of it, not like with the old style of gilding, which was highly toxic and eventually banned because people were dying from doing it. But anyways, so this is a mirror, okay? The frame around it would have been sitting in a case, and it would have kind of sat on somebody's table or vanity table or in a cabinet, okay? This is all that's left, unfortunately. And the frame is rolled gold. There's about 9% gold in this frame. And I am going to clean it up. But I'm not going to regild it because it's actually in very good shape. Okay, but here's the secret to these photos. One, they have a slight 3D effect. I know it's off screen for the moment. Okay. Anyways, they're hard to see, and with this ring light, it's going to be next to impossible to really get a good thing set. And it's reflecting what I'm wearing. Oh my goodness. Okay, so unfortunately I can't show this very well. But the deal with this is that it's like a mirror surface, all right? And you can only see the image from an angle. And it has more of a 3D effect than a standard photograph. So it's kind of cool. So, anyways, this was the piece I really wanted to see for myself because I've never seen one of these before. And this is like 2x3. And, it's not in its case, $67. These are worth a lot of money. So anyways, this was a very nice haul of different things, but this was the piece that really mattered to me. And as soon as I can start selling on Whatnot, some of these pictures are going to be in my backdrop. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you like to see stuff like this, really old stuff that I get, please subscribe and give me a like. And of course, as soon as I get back to gilding stuff, I'll be doing more videos. Take care. Bye.